When it comes to all your heating and cooling needs, turn to the professionals at Barnett's Heating and AC. We've specialized in both new and older homes for more than 40 years, and we can help you with everything from heat pumps, gas furnaces, and water heaters to air conditioning units, humidifiers, attic fans, and more. We also provide great maintenance agreements that will give you peace of mind. So, what are you waiting for? Let us know what we can do for you today. Barnett's Heating and AC. Call us or visit us online now.